sitting down in front of a meal, knowing that it was made without harming the planet. Today, we're diving into the future of food, focusing on two groundbreaking innovations: lab grown meat and vertical farming. These technologies promise to reshape our diets and offer sustainable solutions to some of our biggest environmental challenges. As many of us enjoy fast food, this topic has become increasingly relevant, especially with major companies like Chick-fil-A exploring lab grown meat options. This shift reflects a broader trend towards more sustainable food choices, emphasizing how innovation can meet consumer demand without compromising the health of our planet. Throughout this speech, I'll discuss the basics of lab grown meat and vertical farming, their potential health benefits, and their profound impact on our food systems. Let's start by understanding how lab grown meat and vertical farming are shaping sustainable eating. First, lab grown meat. According to a 2022 study by D. Oliveira Padilla and colleagues, this industry is still in its infancy, but aims to meet the growing global demand for meat through sustainable production methods. Lab grown meat, also known as cultured or cell based meat, is created by cultivating animal cells in a lab environment. This allows us to produce meat without the traditional methods of raising and slaughtering animals. The implication of this technology are huge. It could drastically reduce the environmental impact associated with livestock farming, particularly greenhouse gas emissions. Traditional meat production is responsible for a significant amount of global emissions, deforestation, and water usage. By removing the need for extensive land and animal rearing, lab grown meat presents a more eco friendly alternatives for meat lovers. Now, let's talk about vertical farming. This innovative method involves growing crops in stacked layers in controlled environments, utilizing artificial lighting and climate control to optimize growth conditions. One of the most significant benefits of vertical farming is water conservation. These farms can use up to 90% less water than traditional mid-sized greenhouses. This efficiency this efficient this efficiency is particularly vital in areas facing water scarcity. By eliminating the need for pesticides, vertical farming contributes to healthier produce and reduces chemical runoff into the environment. Urban areas can also greatly benefit from these farms, providing fresh produce to local communities and significantly reducing food miles. This also cuts down on carbon emissions associated with transporting food from rural areas to urban areas. Now that we've explored these food technologies, let's talk about their health implications. The health implications of lab grown meat are important. One of the key benefits is its potential to reduce harmful bacteria and pathogens commonly found in traditional meat, which can lead to less foodborne illnesses. A study showed that conventional meat processing is linked to a high incidence of such illnesses. Lab grown meat could potentially provide a safer option by controlling the entire production process. However, despite these benefits, lab grown meat faces a significant challenge: public perception. Research by Anomaly and colleagues in 2024 reveals that many people find the concept of cultivated meat unappealing, often due to misconceptions about its production. Overcoming this skepticism will be beneficial for widespread adoption. Vertical farming also plays a crucial role in promoting health. By producing fresh, pesticide free vegetables year round, vertical farms can lead to better nutritional outcomes for consumers. Studies show that when fresh produce is easily accessible, people are more likely to increase their intake of fruits and vegetables, which is essential for combating diet related health issues. In urban areas where access to fresh food can be limited, vertical farms can serve as a vital source, improving food security and community health. Now that we've covered health implications, let's examine the environmental impact of these food technologies. Lab grown meat and vertical farming can play a vital role in addressing environmental challenges. Lab grown meat has the potential to significantly lessen the environmental toll of traditional livestock farming. By reducing land and water usage, we can prove I mean we can we can preserve natural habitats and promote biodiversity. This is critical in a world facing the dual challenges of climate change and habitat destruction. According to Sun and Huang 2023 study, vertical farming uses up to 99% less water than traditional open field agriculture. This remark is achieved by recirculating nutrient solutions and capturing transpired water from crops. Additionally, vertical farms operate year round, providing consistent food supply that reduces spoilage associated with seasonal crops. This reliability is vital for food systems that need to adapt for changing climates and growing populations. Both lab grown meat and vertical farming contribute to minimizing food waste by producing food closer to where it is consumed. By decreasing reliance on conventional farming, these technologies can help protect our environment and secure a more sustainable food future. They offer solutions not only for food production but also for addressing the urgent issues of climate change and resource depletion. In summary, lab grown meat offers a promising way to reduce environmental impact while meeting our protein demand, and vertical farming promotes resource efficiency and local food production. Together, these innovations can contribute to a more sustainable food system and help address pressing global challenges such as food security and climate change. Thank you.